Don't fall.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this kind of video. It also known as Habibi template. For doing it, you have to need CapCut Video Editing App. It's a super easy process. You can do it within 20 seconds. Just watch the full video and learn it. First of all, you have to open a link. That link I will provide you in the description or comment box. Go to this link by tap on it. After that, tap on Use Template in CapCut. Then tap on Use Template. From here, you have to select your 5 photos. Then tap on Next. And here is the output. I have muted the audio of this video for copyright issue. To export this video, tap on the export icon at the upper right corner. Then again tap on Export. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also if you face any problem, then please comment.